Eating nuts and seeds is highly beneficial. It's important to incorporate different varieties into our diet. Research shows that the health benefits of nuts and seeds play a vital role in disease prevention. Pumpkin seeds are flat, dark green seeds with a subtle flavor. They're nutrient-rich seeds and they contain zinc, manganese, antioxidants, copper, and plant compounds. Research has shown the zinc can contribute to greater prostate health. Furthermore, the pumpkin seeds can provide stress relief that's caused by certain symptoms of diabetes. Abundant in vitamins, minerals, and proteins, the pumpkin seeds have many benefits. In addition to being a wonderful snack, almonds are full of healthy nutrients. This protein-rich snack also contains antioxidants, magnesium, calcium, and vitamin E. Research has shown that almonds help to contribute to the removal of oxidative damage in the body. The almonds are also high in monounsaturated fat. Contrary to common belief, they're actually seeds, not nuts. Green pistachios are a powerhouse packed with ample nutrients and protein. They contain healthy fiber, lean protein, manganese, copper, and phytosterols. Research has shown that the high cholesterol can be better controlled by eating pistachios. Therefore, pistachios are a wonderful alternative to fatty snacks. Walnuts are rich in heart-healthy nutrients. They're abundant in powerful antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They're also rich in phosphorus and magnesium. They've an abundant source of molybdenum, copper, biotin, and manganese. According to some studies, they're beneficial for providing the relief from chronic diseases. Pecans are versatile and edible nuts, and they have an abundant amount of vitamins and minerals, and these include magnesium and oleic acid. This promotes heart health. Furthermore, the research has shown the pecans can help to boost the immune system, reduce cholesterol, and lower heart disease. Pecans also contain healthy fats, beneficial iron, selenium, and potassium. Since a small amount of pecans provides most of the recommended daily fiber intake, they're great for dieters. They're also abundant in age-defying antioxidants. Brazil nuts not only provide the body with powerful nutrients, they also supply an abundant source of organic selenium. In fact, they're the primary food source of selenium worldwide. Research has shown that organic selenium can contribute to cancer prevention. Other beneficial nutrients are thiamine, protein, minerals, and fiber, and this aids in weight loss, boosts immunity, and enhances digestive health. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, minerals, vitamins, fiber, and healthy protein. Since studies have shown the flax seeds can help to promote regular bowel movements, prevent cancer, and lower cholesterol, they're healthy in many ways. They also come in yellow, dark brown, or golden varieties. They're flat in shape and they have a nutty, sweet taste. The high fiber in the flaxseed helps with weight loss and appetite suppression. Sunflowers provide antioxidant-rich seeds that have ample phytosterol levels. This heart-healthy snack also contains calcium, niacin, protein, copper, selenium, manganese, and fiber. Since sunflower seeds provide great flavor with low calories, they're used in a variety of meals. They can be shelled or unshelled. They're also a great source of vitamin E. Research has shown taking fenugreek seed can help to treat gastric ulcers, relieve irritated skin, and lower cholesterol. The seeds are also abundant in amino acids, fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and alkaloids. Grape seeds are antioxidant powerhouses. They also contain OPCs, or oligomeric pro-anthocyanidin complexes, and these help with the destruction of free radicals. The chemically diverse black seed contains powerful amino acids, proteins, minerals, fiber, potassium, and sodium. The black seed is spicy and it exudes a powerful aroma. Research has shown it's known to promote vitality and support the liver and the kidneys. Sesame seeds are rich in B vitamins, and these are vital for metabolism. The sesame seeds also contain healthy minerals, including selenium, iron, and phosphorus. Antioxidant-rich chia seeds are loaded with vitamins and minerals, and they're beneficial for brain health. According to some studies, chia seeds have also been linked to a reduction in high blood pressure and cardiovascular risk. The chia seeds, which are tiny and oval-shaped, contain plenty omega-3 fatty acids. Highly nutritious hemp seed offers an abundance of essential amino acids. Furthermore, they're a healthy option for plant-based nutrition because they also have a high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known to help reduce inflammation, to boost memory, lower cholesterol, and stabilize blood pressure. Cumin provides an abundant source of calcium, iron, protein, thiamine, thymol, magnesium, and vitamin B6. It's also an excellent source of minerals like potassium and zinc. According to some studies, cumin aids in the treatment of skin issues and proper digestion. To book a consultation or to learn about herbs, supplements, and natural treatments, check out my website.